today we're gonna go to Lowe's. Alright? So let's go. I'll go right here. I'll just go this way. Alright? So yeah. I recognize this car. Man, it's probably a different one. So let's go inside Lowe's. So yeah, and let me go show you my YouTube dashboard. So as you can see, this is my phone right here. And let's go to... I was listening to some music. Alright, so we're gonna go here. Okay, as you can see, I have 260 subscribers and 603 videos. And yeah. So, yeah, I'm still trying to get that community tab. I'm literally 5 goals away from the community tab, which probably might not happen due to iPhone changes. I got my thingy changed, but that's not gonna happen soon. If you recognize this PFP, comment. Of course, it has to be blurry. Camera doesn't focus that much. All right, we're gonna show you my YouTube dashboard. Let me show you my YouTube dashboard. All right, so it may look weird in the time lapse. You'll see why in the end of the video, but we're currently here, and I want to show you something really stupid. Import notifications. This was before I had a CapCut, by the way. Oh no, I did delete the video. Well, maybe I have information that I don't have. Copyright owner claim. The copyright owner claims some content in your video. Scene 10. Please know this is not a copyright strike. We'll see about that, YouTube. Noob. What the fuck? Noob. Zach 5 ... You're such a dumb... How do you know noob? You know, people are getting hate for some reason. I only said cringe because it's getting really annoying. I want that to stop. I don't have an image of my girlfriend, unfortunately. But I do have a text, but you already know what it looks like. Just go to SB Producer, SB Vlogs, and of course, see us profile picture. Oh, wait. So, at the time you're making this video, hold on. Okay, we don't need that. We don't need studio anymore, but look. So, this is the time I'm making this video. Thursday, August 18th. That's the time I'm making this video. But I'm gonna go to... Okay, look. As you can see, this is a sneak. This is the thing. This is the last video you guys are watching. So, Yami's gonna get a new car, guys. If you don't know who she is, it's this guy's mother. Alright. Just getting like a Toyota Corolla, I believe. So, you see this car right here? That's gone forever. And here look, U-Haul trucks. Looks like someone's moving. There's our car right there. I'll see you guys soon. So, I'm currently outside right now. What is this? It's a new car. Let's take a look and see what does the inside look like. Look, there's a speaker right here. Nice. Oh my god. Oh. This reminds me of the day when we first got this car right there.
Look at the... Wait, yeah, chair.
It looks really clean in here.
Mami, la cosa se mira chiquito. El que se mira chiquito, ¿eh?
It looks really cool. It looks way better than the other car right there. And here's the back of it. Let's do a little comparison. So, Me Porto Bonito by Bad Bunny. This is what the car looks like. And here is what the image looks like. And let's also show you the inside. Jeremy's calling me real quick. Yeah?
See, an extra wheel.
Oh, cool. There is an extra tire. Okay. And we're gonna open here. And this is what the side looks like.
So what do you think of the car?
Looks pretty cool.
I know, right? And look, it shows you how many doors it has.
Yeah.
Oh, look here. Here has an extra.
I wish that car has it, but it doesn't.
And
it looks pretty cool.
We have to do this. And look, the light's on.
Cool.
And this too. This also has one. See? That's cool, right?
Yeah. This is way better than your mom's other car. Oh, I gotta close the door. I don't want to scratch the car or anything, so this is her old car right there. And this is the other car right here. And this is her newer car, Eureka. And the car that she has is a Toyota Corolla.
Bugatti, Alex.
Which means it's a Eureka. Which means that her car is a Eureka. Well guys, we are starting out with a new chapter with the Garcia family. Here's the new Eureka car. Toyota, a 2017 Toyota Camry. Actually no, it's a Corolla. It's not a Camry. If it was a Camry, then no Eureka. This is, fun fact, they actually used to own a Camry, but got into a car accident. It was actually on the news though. Oh, come on, are you serious? There has to be a car well. And this is what the car looks like. It's gonna be towed away soon. This car is gonna be towed away soon. Oh no. Okay, here's the Hyundai symbol. Goodbye, Hyundai. It's been fun. That's Sawadi. What's up? I'm using a different device right now, which is a little risky. And the truck came by, which means that it's time for this to go. This is why I'm not recording by this phone. See, it's shaking. That's why I'm not recording it by this phone. Well, guys, that is it. The car is gone now. The car is not gone. It was broken down. It's like, It's a 2006, by the way. Ours is 2007, so obviously. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe, and peace. And I will see you guys in the next video.